Hi and welcome to this quick introduction to PrimusNote. PrimusNote is a WordPress theme, so you can install it like any other WordPress theme. It's a project management system. It allows you to work alone or in a team on any project you could possibly imagine. This is a dashboard. Every project is represented by a card. The card shows you the content of the project, like the amount of notes, issues, and to-dos. When it was last updated. You can also color tag any item in PrimusNote, give any project a custom image, and if you mouse over this button, you will see the people who are assigned to a certain project. Over here you have a sidebar. Right now this contains a custom widget that we created for PrimusNote, which shows the latest notes that have been created. And over here you can add your own avatar image. Everything in PrimusNote works from the front end. If you want to create a new project, simply click over here, and there you can add a project name. You can choose a project color. You can set deadline if you want to. It's also very easy. You can also decide what elements you want to show within a project. Finally, you can assign the project to certain users. All right, so let's have a closer look at this project. As you can see here on the left, you have the project image in the sidebar. If you mouse over, you will see the date when it was created and when it was last updated. This colleague here worked quite hard, so all the latest changes are from him. This is a change log. It will show what happened within the project and who did it. Further down here, again, you will see this widget with the latest updates or notes. These are very basic notes. Every project has notes, issues, and to-dos. If I open one, you will see that this is simply a text document. So you can add and edit text. You can save it. You can also color tag it, and importantly, you can comment. And while you comment, you can also add an attachment. All the files will then be shown here in this area. All right, let's go back over here and show you the next part. It's the issue area. Now here you see a Kanban board. If you work on a project, you oftentimes have a lot of small issues you want to work on in a team, so you can create an issue, put it here in the first board. It's called to-do board, and assign it to the person or the several persons that are responsible for fixing this issue. When they're done doing so, they can simply move it over to the next board. If you review this item, you just move it over to done, and it's done. All right, let's have a look. This, for example, is also assigned to me, as I can see here. So this is just a demo. So let's say they ask me to add another icon. So what I would do is I go on comments, and I want to let the team know that I actually did the new icon. So I say, check this out. And then I attach this new icon. You can see here, it's down here now. I submit this comment. It'll bring me back to the overview, but let's check this comment over here. This is my comment now, and you can see the attachment right here. If you click on files, you'll have an overview of all the files that are attached to any comments, but you can also attach files that are only shown here and not attached to any comment. Let's say I did this issue. I fixed the design problems, or I create this new icon, and now I want my boss to have a look. So I deassign myself, for example, and put somebody else to have a look. It's automatically saved, as you can see down here. Now I go back to the issues overview page, and then simply put this into the review area so this can be reviewed. I can also simply show all the issues that are assigned to me by clicking on only mine. It will show all the issues that I'm assigned to. Finally, there are different views. For example, I can also check out the list view or a simple towels view if you simply don't have so many issues to work on. Next up, to-dos. This is very straightforward. Again, you can color tag any item. Click on submit. Test item has been created. I can again assign this. This is now assigned to my colleague, and if he's done, he just marks this and it will appear down here. From wherever you are, you can create any item. For example, if I click here, I can add a new to-do. Through this menu, I can also create a new issue. So I actually don't have to leave the area I'm in at the moment to create a new item. Okay, I hope this gave you a quick overview over PrimusNote, what it does, what it is. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and we are very happy to answer all questions you might have. Thank you.